HuntVe installation video, 73.6 volt, 105 amp hour.
Bolt Energy highly recommends having a trained golf car or battery technician perform all battery maintenance on your vehicle. Bolt also highly recommends using personal protective equipment during the battery installation. In addition to this tool list, you may also need small gauge wiring supplies.
Start by removing the lead-acid batteries. Using the Bolt Energy lead-acid battery strap, remove the lead-acid batteries. Zip tie up all of your negative cables and positive cables. I'm going to start by removing the factory battery trays, 4 bolts. HuntVe supplies their new battery tray to mount 2 105 72 volt powers. You will need to drill 4 holes in each corner. Remove the battery tray, making it easier to drill out the holes. You can now clean out any excess metal left from drilling. Using HuntVe's supplied hardware, you can now mount down your battery tray. Tighten down the 4 screws with the supplied HuntVe hardware. Now to get to the mounting the bolts for the battery, we have to remove the side panels here. Start by removing the door latch. Pop out all the plastic rivets. Now we have to remove the side panel using the Allen wrench. There are 2 bolts behind the plastic cover that need to be removed. Uninstall the wiring harness from your tilt bed switch. Now you can install your supplied hardware from HuntVe to mount the battery down. You can now reinstall your tilt bed switch wiring, reinstall the panel. Now reinstall your side panel using the Allen wrench. Now you have to repeat this process on the passenger side. Start by removing all your plastic clips and remove all your Allen head bolts. There is no switch on this side, so you don't have to mess with any wiring. Now you can mount down your 10mm bolts. You now have to remove the plastic clips to allow you to use through bolts to mount the charger. Now you can drop in your battery. Mount down your outside bolts. You can reinstall your side panel now. Using supplied hardware, you can now mount the center of your battery. Now for this, we need to link two AWG cables. from the positive of one battery to the positive of the other, while having all of your main connections on one of the positive sides. Always start with your main power being at the bottom, your heaviest cable. Now you can mount your negative cable the same way. Now you can reroute your cable and install it to the other battery negative. Now your two batteries are installed.
While you're waiting for your Bolt Energy battery to max charge, go ahead and download the Bolt Energy USA mobile application on the Android or iOS app stores. Open the application and select your battery. The application will connect to the battery via a Bluetooth connection and display the battery's information in real time. If you scroll down, you can check the battery's internal health, and if you scroll down further, you will see the two most important features of the mobile app that you will probably never need to use. The Update Firmware feature allows existing Bolt Energy battery owners to remotely update their battery's firmware should a new firmware release. The Send Data feature allows a Bolt Energy technician to remotely diagnose your battery in the extremely rare event of a warranty claim. Simply select Send Data, your battery's data log will be displayed, click the mail icon, select email, and email to support@boltenergyusa.com. A Bolt technician will receive your data log, diagnose, and immediately begin the warranty process should your battery need replacement. This feature makes the warranty process simple and efficient.
As always, hit the like and subscribe buttons. We have more installation and product videos coming out on a regular basis, so we hope to see you next time.